This is a visual explainer, not a recording of the level being built. The course on screen was prepared in UE5, so we can study one question clearly. What makes a level immediately understandable? A playable route does not begin with decoration. It begins with 3 readable ideas: a safe start, a route the player can follow, and a goal they can recognize before they reach it. Look at the whole course from above. The start area is close to the player start and gives the character room to land, turn, and understand the first move. The route continues through a short sequence of platforms. The tall marker at the far end creates a destination. Even without instructions, the composition should suggest where to begin and where to go. A beginner route should not punish the player before they understand the controls. A wide start deck gives space for the camera to settle and makes the first direction obvious. Side walls can frame that direction without closing the route. The start is doing communication work. It tells the player that movement begins here and continues forward. The platforms alternate slightly left and right and rise in small steps. That creates rhythm without hiding the next landing. Large landing areas keep the early jumps forgiving. A route becomes confusing when gaps change randomly, platforms hide one another, or the player must turn before they can see the next safe place. Walls are not only collision. Their height, position, and direction can frame the path. Near the start, 2 thin walls create a visual corridor while leaving the center open. This is a useful level design rule. Guide attention with shape before adding signs, arrows, or text. Geometry can quietly tell the player what matters. The goal marker is taller than the surrounding platforms and sits at the end of the route. That strong silhouette gives every jump a purpose. The player does not need blueprint logic yet to understand the idea of success. First, make the destination visually clear. Interaction and rewards can be added after the route already reads well. A finished editor view cannot prove that a route feels good. The real test is a loop: edit, play, observe, and improve. If a jump feels unfair, change the distance, height, or landing size. If the player turns the wrong way, improve the start or the silhouette of the next platform. Playtesting converts a layout into an experience. Before adding detail, check 5 things. Can the player see the first move? Is each landing visible before the jump? Does the geometry guide the camera forward? Is the goal recognizable from a distance? Can you explain the route in 1 sentence? If those answers are clear, the level has a strong playable foundation. Next, we will explain the difference between assets, actors, and components in UE5.